Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane. Today we'll be having a look at Mina blockchain. It's currently sitting at $1 per token. It's absolutely incredible. But before we continue with this video, allow me to declare that this video is not financial advice. It's strictly for educational purposes and for entertainment purposes. So today we obviously have a price prediction for Mina to go through. We have an article from Investors Cube. We're going to have a full look and breakdown of this article and the price prediction. I'll also give my own opinion on my own price prediction, so that's going to be quite interesting. We'll also go through some of the latest updates in regards to the Mina blog. The latest that we've got so far is the Winter 2022, the ZK App Builder program that's ramped up. Cohort of ZK Apps Build program, the program to support developers who want to learn about zero-knowledge smart contracts, programming, and building a ZK app for Mina Protocol. This blog post basically details all of that. These teams receive a grant and a direct access to the O1 Lab team, members building ZK apps, so we could support teams' efforts to build ZK apps related to projects of their choosing. And the team provides a valuable feedback to help us improve Snarky.js to be even more developers friendly. So they're basically announcing the wrap up of the first cohort. So this is quite good. In initial cohort, 7 teams consisting of 9 total participants from 4 countries finished the 12-week program. Now, next up, we have the Mina Ecosystem Roadmap for Q2 of 2022. We're obviously in Q2 right now. The end of Q2 is next month in June. Now, this update, previously known as Product Priorities, is now renamed to Mina Ecosystem Roadmap. These are the quarterly updates intends to share what is being worked on by various Mina ecosystem teams. And this is the update for Q2 of 2022. So in a commitment towards continuous decentralization of the Mina Protocol, this update, previously known as Product Priorities, is now renamed as the Roadmap. So what we've got here is a full list of things that Mina is currently working on, the projects that they're working on, and the description of said projects, and the estimated completion date. So for Kimchi Snark, new Snark to bring faster verification and prover time than the original PLONK Snark. This was at the end of last year, Q4, and this is all completed. Now, ongoing, we've got the improvement node stability, make nodes operation more stable, example project, bit swap. So this is an ongoing process. Next up, we've got the ZK App Builder program. This is what we were just talking about that's been announced, the cohort. So this for Q2 has been completed. That's brilliant. So for Q3 of this year, the cohort 2 applications are now open. So this is good. And there's a link that leads you directly to an application form, basically to register in the builder program. So first cohort of program to educate, support, and work with developers who are building ZK apps and to enlist their help to improve ZK and Snarky.js. So for the remaining projects that are in Q2, these include Document Mina Crypto Library and Curve Point, ZK App Testing, New Uptime Tracking System, ZK App Software Developers Kit. Now this is important because this is what all developers need to build dApps on the Mina Protocol. And it says here in description, provide the toolkit that developers need to build on Mina, Snarky.js, and ZK Apps CLI. There's more things that they're actually working on that they've got a deadline for, and that's mostly in Q3 and Q4 of this year, things that we can go through on another video. But most importantly for now, what I really want to get into is our price analysis and price prediction. So it's currently trading at $1. How interesting. Mina Protocol dipped to 79 cents last week as Bitcoin price tagged below $24,500. At the time of writing, it is trading at $1, which is 84% below its all-time high of $6.56. Mina described itself as the lightest blockchain in the world, according to its official website. The size of the blockchain is only 22 kilobytes, roughly the same size as a tweet. Now, as per Mina Protocol news today, the team is hosting an in-person meetup in Tel Aviv, Israel. The event will take place on the 23rd of May, where participants can learn about all the upcoming programs and grants. That will take place this Monday. So as for the technical analysis of Mina Protocol, currently hovering around 90 cents to $1. Well, it's actually trading exactly at $1, but it has been fluctuating quite a lot because of the volatility. The last hope for the bull is a weekly close above the key support, which might initiate a relief rally to $1.84. However, such a move would only be possible if Bitcoin price stabilizes above $35,000 regional. Till then, any Mina Protocol price prediction will be off the table. And that's what the article is basically saying. But just keep in mind that they are right about the bull run. If there is another bull run, if Bitcoin starts hitting back big numbers, such as 35 grand, 40 grand, well, that's good for Mina because the entire crypto market would be going up. As Bitcoin goes up, the entire crypto market profits. And this is a quick look at the Mina Protocol chart, the pricing of where it is right now, and where it's coming from actually. I mean, from its all-time high last year in November at $6.59. Well, it's down quite a lot. A lot of people have sold out of Mina simply because there's been slow development and not enough transparency, I'd say. But they are trying to be more transparent and they are thriving to be a decentralized blockchain, which is good. It's exactly what we need. So now let's get to my predictions and my opinion on Mina Protocol. So yes, the last time the price was above $3 was actually in April this year. This is in the last 3 months. And the price was as high as $3.46. I do think Mina can get back to that point, but before then we need to get back to $2, which I don't think will be too difficult. I think $3 to $5 is definitely in our margin, especially with the fact that Mina is working on a bridge with Ethereum. Mina is working to be more decentralized, and they're also working to make developers to give developers the ability to build dApps and ZK applications on the Mina blockchain, on the Mina Protocol ecosystem. This is brilliant. And it's going to be really interesting to see if Mina can compete with the multiple competitive dApp building platforms out there like Avalanche, Cardano, Solana, Ethereum. It's going to be interesting because even on their website it says most other blockchains can take up to 300 gigabytes of increasing size of data, while for Mina blockchain it's only 22 kilobytes. So a lot of developers, I can see them choosing Mina to experiment and to build and to see the possibilities. Because really and truly in the market we have today, Mina is the only application that we know of that has a blockchain that is as light as 22 kilobytes. There's no other. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you agree with my prediction that in the next bull run, we can expect Mina Protocol to be anywhere from $3 to $5. Subscribe and I will see you in my next video.